Indy, how do you feel about your first time at a swimming hole? That must be really tasty. Actually, do I want you to eat this? Daddy's blowing up her floaty. How do you think we feel at the swimming hole? Huh? You feel positively about it? Okay. Do you know how to swim? Well, we'll see once we get in the water, okay? I'm gonna throw you in there and you can swim, okay?
Just a reminder that hard work are not allowed anywhere in the pond.
What do that kid's got? Roar! Roar! It looks like she is not having a good time, but you missed the best part.
I think she wore herself out. She was laughing and smiling and clapping and screaming so hard that she's tired.
She had a ball in this thing. Now she's just lounging. Andy, do you like it? Splash, 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 splash. She's got nothing left in the tank. I'm in my full clothes, as you can see. Because listen, I got 31 pounds to lose, and I know body positivity and don't fat shame people and everyone love yourself, but I got 31 pounds to lose, okay? And I'm gonna do it. So I started today cold turkey on Tuesday, random Tuesday in July. I decided to stop eating all the junk, except I am gonna drink a can of brisk today because I have it. Then I'm gonna go home and make some real food. I'm gonna lose a weight before we go to Nigeria. Do you think I can lose 31 pounds before we go to Nigeria?
Absolutely.
Vote
You're
of
gonna lose
confidence.
weight in Nigeria, so that's my plan, is to lose the weight when I get there.
That's true. Whatever I don't lose here, the last 10, 15 pounds, if I don't lose it, I'm gonna lose in Nigeria just by starving.
I'm gonna come back with abs from Nigeria.
Abs. It looks like I'm still pregnant, really, like in my belly. So that's a problem, I guess. Yeah. Get it, mommy. Look at it.
Make you no cry again, no. When I want sleep, my mother don't tell me. She go lie me where for bed. She cover me
Okay, she's rolling back and forth a couple times. For no reason. She just, there's no toy or anything. She just decided to be on her belly, optionally.
Just kidding. Feet is comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Next thing you know, she's crawling across the room.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you trying to climb? Hmm? You're trying to eat it. Chef Mommy did broccoli and chicken and sweet potato. And Indy loves it. Yummy. This is her drink. It's a vodka. You want some vodka? We need to practice that a little bit. It's yummy. Try some. That's okay. That's okay. You fought.